In this video, we'll take a detailed look at the cooking functions available on Smeg ovens and range cookers. We'll explain what each function does, which heating elements are active, the ideal shelf position, recommended trays, whether preheating is required, and the symbol you'll see on the control panel. Understanding which function to use can help you achieve better cooking results, improve efficiency, and make everyday cooking that little bit easier. One of the most popular and versatile functions on Smeg ovens and range cookers is Circulaire. This is an excellent go-to setting, delivering fast, even cooking across multiple shelf positions. The fan distributes heat evenly throughout the oven cavity, preventing flavour transfer between dishes. This means you can cook sweet and savoury foods at the same time with confidence. Because you can cook multiple dishes together, it's also a more energy efficient option, as you only need to have the oven on once. It's ideal for dishes such as fish, cakes, pastries and general family meals. Another key benefit is that for cooking times under 20 minutes, preheating is not often required, unless you're baking cakes or pastries. For best results, place food directly onto the enamelled baking tray with the sloping edges facing the front of the oven. This helps encourage even browning. Eco is a function available on the Smeg ovens and range cookers. It operates in a similar way to Circulaire, delivering even heat distribution. It'll take slightly longer to reach temperature, but it uses less energy, making it more of an energy efficient option. It's important that you preheat this function before use. Next, let's look at fan assisted. This function combines traditional top and bottom heat with fan, helping to distribute heat more evenly throughout the oven. It's ideal for dishes that benefit from conventional cooking style, but with improved heat circulation and more consistent results. Fan assisted works particularly well for baked pasta dishes, biscuits, tray bakes and roasted poultry. For best performance, position dishes on the centre shelf and always preheat the oven. Now let's move on to the full grill function. This setting is perfect for achieving quick browning and crispy finishes. The grill is thermostatically controlled and operates with the oven door closed, making it both safer and more energy efficient. Always preheat the grill before adding food. For best results, use a solid tray together with the wire rack. This allows fat to drain away while the heat circulates evenly around the food. Next is the traditional top and bottom heat function. This classic conventional setting is ideal for slow-cooked casseroles and cakes. Because there's no fan circulating air, dishes retain moisture and cook more gently. Place food in the centre of the oven on the metal rack, allowing heat to circulate underneath. It's also recommended to remove any unused shelf positions before cooking. As with most traditional baking functions, always preheat the oven. If you enjoy baking quiches, flans or pastry dishes, Circulaire with bottom heat is an excellent choice. The added bottom heat helps ensure the pastry base is thoroughly cooked, often removing the need for blind baking. Using a metal flan tin or placing the dish on a solid shelf position can help improve heat transfer to the base. Ceramic dishes can also be used, though they may take slightly longer. Preheating is recommended for best results. Bottom heat on its own is often overlooked but is extremely useful. This function directs heat beneath the dish, making it perfect for slow-cooked casseroles and stews or reheating food where you want the base to be crisp without overcooking the top. For example, it's excellent for crisping pizza bases or reheating flans and quiches. Place dishes on a metal tray on the lower shelf position for optimal results. Now let's move on to Turbo. Turbo is ideal for larger joints of meat thanks to its increased heat intensity. It works similarly to rotisserie, helping to reduce shrinkage while sealing in flavour and moisture for beautifully roasted results. Once the oven reaches temperature, the juices are sealed in. Simply reduce the heat to your normal roasting temperature. This function is particularly well suited for large cuts of meat, Yorkshire puddings and bread. Defrost is another simple but highly practical function. Rather than applying heat, the oven circulates room temperature air to thaw food more quickly and evenly, leaving it at room temperature. It's especially useful for delicate frozen desserts or when you need to defrost food quickly. Next is fan with grill. This function combines the grill with circulating hot air, making it ideal for thicker cuts of meat such as chops and steaks. The airflow helps begin cooking underneath before turning, resulting in more even cooking. For best results, use the solid metal tray with the wire mesh inset to allow heat circulation and fat drainage. Smeg ovens and range cookers can also be enhanced with a range of accessories designed to expand their cooking capabilities. These include the gourmet stone, ideal for pizzas, baking bread and cooking flans without the need for blind baking, as well as air fry tray and the barbecue plate. For more information on these accessories and the functions that support their use, please follow the link in the description. Knowing which function to use for different types of cooking can make a real difference to your results. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.